In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Apps. Now select App Cloner, click on one of your apps you wish to clone, and click on gray switcher next to Create App Clone. Now wait, and when your clone is ready, tap on Rename App Clone to rename it however you want to. Select Save, tap on Default App to open and click on one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. So now when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Delete. You can also go back and to clone other apps and not recommended ones, hit Other Apps here. Tap on the chosen one and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!